Today, my friend, I bring you tools. I have 4 brand new Dewalt tools in this box right here. So what is it in this box that we have right here? So let's open up this box right here. And I have a feeling some of you are gonna love these and some of you are probably gonna be upset about these, and I'll explain to you why. These, my best friends forever, are the new Dewalt utility knives. Now there's 4 different ones in here that I'm gonna show you. We'll go from right to left or whatever. So let's take the first one out, and this is the Tanto pocket knife. That's what they're calling it. I'll leave a link in the description below, or I'll try to attach these to the video for you to check out. But this one here, it's gonna be like your standard blade. You're just gonna pull out on this like so, and you can see it's serrated on the back, and it's real sharp like. Now, each and every one of these, you're gonna have one of these pocket clips here, which is actually pretty freaking sturdy. It doesn't look it, it is that wire style, but it's gonna hold on, it ain't gonna go nowhere. Now the handle length on this is 4.5 inches, and then you got the blade length is 3.3 inches from top to back. And if I want to fold this up, I just go like so, and well, it's gonna fold back in. Thickness is about 1 inch on this, and it is pretty easy to fold that out like such. So they do a good job with this. Paper cut test. Oh. This is gonna run you about $14.97, but all in all, feels really solid. I do like the little grips down here. You got the little thumb imprint here so you can hold on to it if you need to. And all in all, very thin. I do like it. Oh, and FYI, there's another pre-drilled hole right there on the other side of the knife, so on the bottom if you want. And you can take off your clip and actually screw it in down there if you wanted to, and all of them do the exact same thing. So I thought that was pretty, well, it's real nice like. So the next one up is what they're calling the drop point pocket knife, and basically the same thing, but you're not gonna have that serration on the back. And again, very easy to open up. They definitely feel durable, but it's nice, real smooth like action on there. So I'm happy with that. And you do have that assist right there if you wanted to. Like I said, it could be left-handed or right-handed. It doesn't matter what you are. So they have this on both sides. I am right-handed, not left-handed, but yeah. So that's real nice. Like, this is gonna run you about $14.97 for this one. We'll do the paper test. That's real nice. Like. The next one up is the push and flip folding utility knife. And you can see, this is where the elephant's gonna start making its way into the video. What does that remind you of? Well, a lot of people have this, a lot of different brands have this, but this is looking an awful lot like the Milwaukee Fast Back. However, I don't care about that. Let them copy each other all day long. As long as they work good, that's competition, baby. Now, this one here is very simple to take that blade out and then replace the blade, and that locks into place. Ain't going nowhere. On the other side, and I do like this because it's a little bit bigger, right? It's a little bit easier to do what you need to do. You cannot adjust this in different positions. So if I wanted to make this longer, I can't. I got to go into both slots. So it's going to be a fixed length on this. However, the one I am showing you right now does not have extra blade storage. You do have a larger button right here. You push that down, it's going to fold in real nice like, and then it'll open up. And you can put like your lanyard, little attachment here. So if you want to carry that with you somewhere, I was just put mine in the pocket, but you can do that if you want. So very smooth action, very real nice like. But this one right here is the exact same knife, other than you're gonna have your wire stripper here, you know, or whatever you're gonna use it for, right? This one does not have it. Ouch, just cut myself. That's not real nice like. It's getting all excited, all giddy. I'm bleeding. However, this one does. It has that right here. It's a little bit thicker. You can see, and the reason for this being a little bit thicker is that now you're gonna have your blade storage right here. So it's pretty simple to get to. You have this here and it'll open up, and you can throw a bunch of blades right there. So the one without the blade storage, you're looking at $13.29 for this. And I do believe this is going to be $14.97 for this right here. So again, I know a lot of people are going to say, well, they're just ripping off Milwaukee. They all rip off each other. That's like saying DeWalt has a saw, so Makita can't come out with a saw, or Milwaukee has a drill, so DeWalt can't come out with a drill. It makes no sense. If they make them, that's competition, that's good for us, and if they work good, that's even better. And what's cool about this is that, like I said, now you have even more out on the market. If you're a DeWalt user and you want that DeWalt logo, well, there you go. And these work very, very well. I mean, This is probably the only utility knife that I've used that works as good as the Fast Back. I mean, the Fast Back has been known for years of being pretty much one of the best on the market when it comes to utility knives. Now, as far as it goes with regular knives and stuff, you know, time will tell. We'll use and abuse a little bit, but I'll tell you what, the utility knife function on these, they are fantastico. And don't worry about these things opening up in your pocket. These things, you got to push a little bit down on these things. I hear that all the time, and I've never heard anybody have an issue with that. I'm sure I will now in the comment section. I have a cousin that had a best friend's stepdaughter's friend's niece's nephew uncle that had one of these in his pocket, open up and chop his entire leg off. So let me know what you think, and yeah, we'll be back with more videos soon.